Hey guys, so in my last anime cooking ASMR tutorial, I showed you how to make these videos that just 10 seconds long. But this video you're watching right now, I made this one 30 seconds long, which works way better for a longer form content. And honestly, it looks even more impressive than the last ones. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how you can make these videos in under 5 minutes. Yep, under 5 minutes. So there's really no excuse to spend your whole afternoon making one AI video. All right, let's get into it. First, pull up this master prompt, and I'll drop the link in the description below. Once you've got it, copy the whole master prompt word for word. Then open up Claude. And hey, if you'd rather use a different chatbot, that's totally fine. But I personally recommend going with Claude for this workflow. Now paste the entire master prompt into the chat box and hit send. Within a few seconds, Claude's going to ask you to pick your character, male, female, or you can upload your own reference character image. For this one, I'm typing female and hitting send. And just like that, Claude gives you a full character name, her whole look, plus 10 different dish ideas to pick from. You can go with literally any dish idea you like. And if none of those options are cutting it for you, hey, AI needs a little help sometimes. You can just ask for more and it'll come up with fresh ideas. But for this tutorial, I'm going with option number 6. So I just copy that idea, paste it straight into the chat box, and hit send. And as you can see, Claude then asks you to pick the aspect ratio for your video. If you want it vertical, just type vertical, or if you want horizontal, type horizontal. And since we're making a longer video here, I'm typing horizontal and hitting send. And just like that, Claude hands you 3 super detailed video prompts. These prompts are really long and built specifically for this style of anime cooking ASMR video. Now you might be thinking, wait, where are the image prompts? Don't worry, keep watching, because this is where the workflow gets interesting. Now copy the first video prompt word for word and open up Google Flow AI. Once you're in, switch over to video generation mode and set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Then pick the OmniFlash video model. Paste your video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. It takes under a minute and boom, our first clip is done. Check this out. The video looks incredible, honestly even better than the last version. But here's the important part. Pay close attention here, because this one step is what lets us turn these separate clips into one continuous looking video. Grab the very last frame of this clip and hit save frame. Then head back to Claude and copy the second video prompt word for word. Now go back to Google Flow and select the frame image you just saved and animate it. Then paste your second video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate again. Once that second clip is done, do the exact same thing again. Grab the very last frame, save it, go back to Claude and copy the third video prompt. Then head back to Flow AI, select that second saved frame, animate it just like before, paste in your third video prompt and generate it. And that's it. Once all 3 clips are done, download them in the highest resolution available. Then just merge all 3 clips together in whatever editing software you like to use. And just like that, your final 30-second anime cooking ASMR video is ready to go. So that's the whole workflow start to finish. And the best part, you're not manually building every single scene from scratch. Claude handles the character and scene planning, while Google Flow turns those prompts into the actual video clips. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, AI Xcentra, so you don't miss the next viral AI trend. And if you got any questions, run into any issues, or get stuck anywhere along the way, drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. So that's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.